Well, you can tell everybody I'm a down disgrace and drag my name all over the place. I don't care anymore. You can tell everybody about the state I'm in. You won't catch me crying 'cause I just can't win. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care what you say. I don't play the same games that you play. 'Cause I've been talking to the people that you call your friends, and it seems to me there's a means to an end. They don't care anymore. They don't care anymore. And as for me, I can sit here and buy my time. I got nothing to lose if I speak my mind. I don't care anymore. I don't care no more. I don't care what you say. We never play by the same rules anyway. And I won't be there no more. Get out of my way. Let me by. I got better things to do with my time. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care now what you say. 'Cause every day, yeah, I'm feeling fine with myself. And I don't care now what you say. 'Cause hey, I'll do alright by myself. 'Cause I know. 'Cause I remember all the times I tried so hard and you laughed in my face 'cause you held all the cards. I don't care anymore. I really don't care anymore. And I really ain't bothered what you think of me, 'cause all I want out of you is just to let me be. I don't care anymore. I just don't care anymore. I don't care you're here. I don't care anymore. I don't care what you say. I never did believe you much anyway. I won't be there no more. Get out of my way. Let me by. I got better damn things to do with my time. I don't care anymore. Do you hear? I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care, yeah. I don't care. I just don't fucking care no more. I don't care anymore. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more.